When you're multiplying polynomials, you want to make sure that you distribute just like you normally would. But when you are multiplying exponents, you actually add the exponents together. So that's the one thing we want to make sure that we're careful of, is when you're multiplying, you're adding your exponents. So in the first one, I'm going to multiply 5x times 3x cubed minus 5x plus 4. So the 5x is going to get multiplied to each term. So 5x times 3x cubed. Well, 5 times 3 is going to give me 15. And then x times x cubed is x to the 4th, because I have x to the 1st with the 5, and then x to the 3rd, that's with the 3. And then I add the 1 and the 3, and I get 4. So now I'm going to take the 5x, and I'm going to multiply it to negative 5x. So I get negative 25x squared. And then 5x times 4 is going to give me 20x. And there's our answer. If we wanted to classify this, this would be a quartic trinomial. So I'll write it down just for fun. Quartic trinomial, because there's a degree of 4 and there's 3 terms. Okay, so negative 3x, we're going to multiply times 4x squared. So we get negative 12x cubed. Negative 3x times negative 6x gives me positive 18x squared. And then negative 3x times negative 3 gives me positive 9x. Okay, and this would be a cubic because the degree is 3, and there's 3 terms, so it's a trinomial. Okay, now in this last one, we have to FOIL, but one of the expressions has 3 terms, so we're just going to FOIL into a 3rd term. Okay, same idea. We're going to take the 5x first, and we're going to multiply that to the 3x cubed. So we get 15x to the 4th. Then we're doing 5x times negative 2x squared. So we get negative 10x cubed. Then 5x times 1. So we get 5x. So now we're going to take the negative 4, and we're going to multiply that to the 3x cubed. So we have negative 12x cubed. Negative 4 times negative 2x squared is positive 8x squared. And then negative 4 times 1 is negative 4. So now we can combine like terms together. So I have a 15x to the 4th, which can't combine with anything. I have a negative 10x cubed and a negative 12x cubed. So that's going to give me a negative 22x cubed. Okay, I have an 8x squared with no other x squared. So I'm going to keep that plus 8x squared. And then I have a plus 5x and a negative 4. So this would be my answer. And then this, the degree is a 4, so this is a quartic. And there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 terms. So it's a quartic polynomial of 5 terms. Okay, so you don't have to classify it every single time. I'm just doing that to kind of reinforce it. But if it just says to multiply, you just have to give me the multiplied answer. But I put those up there just for fun, so you guys can see and make sure that you understand how to classify as well.